Good day guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last video tutorial, I talk about how to use drawing in Excel, where I show a series of examples on this diagram. Okay, in today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Chat GPT with Microsoft Excel, which is the ultimate guide. Then in Excel, we will test ChatGPT to find out if it can solve complex Microsoft Excel spreadsheet problems, write Excel formulas with ChatGPT, microcode, and Excel shortcut code with ChatGPT. Okay, a question comes into my mind: can AI with ChatGPT properly solve your spreadsheet problems? Okay, in this video tutorial, we will test that. We test ChatGPT to find out if it can solve complex Microsoft Excel spreadsheet problem. ChatGPT, the new AI, viral AI chatbot by Openai, is a type of artificial intelligence that can understand and generate natural language text. You will learn how to use it for Excel formulas and how to even make it write VBA code for your Excel macros. I will show you how to use ChatGPT and how you can modify your questions to get better answers. Okay, ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by Openai that can be used for variety of tasks, including data analysis and automation. ChatGPT can be used in conjunction with Excel to enhance its capability and improve productivity. We will discuss the top 3 ways ChatGPT can help you in your Excel. Okay, your mind will be blown on how fast and easy to use ChatGPT to level up your productivity in Excel by multiple ways. Okay, the first one is using Excel formula. Okay, ChatGPT can help users to understand and use Excel formula by providing explanations and examples of how to use them. For example, we have this data set and I want to get the total sales. What Excel formula should we use? Okay, we can ask ChatGPT to answer this for us. Okay, let's say I want to ask this question. Okay, write an Excel formula to give the, okay, let me copy it out. Okay, let me do it. Okay, let's say write an Excel formula to give the total of sales from B2 to B12, okay, which is from B2 to B12. So I need an Excel formula. So let's ask ChatGPT to do that for us. Okay, you can see, just watch out, the generating. So to get the total of cell B2 to B12 in Excel, you can use the sum function. Assuming that you want to display the total in Excel in the cell B3, you can use these formulas. Okay, let's now copy it out. Let's copy it out and put it inside the word, the cell. Okay, you can see place our answer. You can see what ChatGPT does for us. It gets the exact formula that can be used to get the total sales for her. Okay, that's awesome. You can even ask it to explain in plain English on what it does, and you can get detailed explanation. Okay, all right. Also, ChatGPT can be used to automate repetitive tasks in Excel, such as running calculations or updating data by creating macros that can be run with a simple command. Okay, we can have fun with this example of removing duplicate from the first column of data here. Let's ask ChatGPT this question again. Let's ask that write an Excel macro that remove the duplicate, okay, of the first column of this data. Okay, we can also likewise do that. Let's put that in the ChatGPT. Okay, let's put that in the ChatGPT and ask the question. Okay, so right, it's generating the answer. You can see. So here is an Excel VBA macro that remove the duplicate from the first column of data. Okay, you can see it even giving more explanation on that. You can see. Okay, so the macro select the first column of the data which assumed to be in column A. You can see if your data is in a different column, you can change the column. Okay, you can see that it generates the code to use. Now let's now perform the way to put in the code. Now to create the VBA code, okay, to create the VBA code name in the macro environment, just firstly go to developer tab. You can see like, and just go to developer tab and click on what record macro. Okay, once you click on record macro, in the macro name you can just put remove, okay, remove duplicate, okay, without space. Okay, you can see. So now in the shortcut key, you can just leave it blank here. Okay, you can leave it blank except if you really want to use shortcut key to get your macro record dialog box out. Okay, in the store menu, just leave it in this workflow. Then you can put any description if you like. Okay, I can just put it there to remove the duplicate, so I can just leave it there and press OK button. So once you press OK button, you can then click on stop recording. Okay, after that, the remove duplicate macro name is now saved, okay, in the macro environment. Okay, so if you in the developer tab here, you can see just click on the macro, you can see the macro here. Then go to the edit button right here and click on it. So once you do that, you can clear this macro code right here. Okay, you can clear it, then copy the one in the Chat GPT right here, the code generated by the Chat GPT. Then you can place in the macro environment. Then click on save button. Okay, that is it. Now I intentionally place duplicate data in our first column here. Then you can see we have baby food, cereal, clothes, household needs. That you can see another baby food here. Okay, so what I need to do is I just select the exact select the first column of that data in the active worksheet, then remove that duplicate in there, okay, in the macro. So now let's try to run this macro. You can see it has removed the duplicate in the first column. Okay, that is it. Okay, that's it. This is awesome legitimate code, as it even added an explanation on how you can use this program right here. Okay, you can see how you can even use this. So using ChatGPT with Excel shortcuts, ChatGPT can also help us to navigate and use Excel more efficiently by providing shortcuts and tips for common tasks. Let's assume you forgot a specific Excel keyboard shortcut. Just ask ChatGPT all about it, and it even give you an explanation of what it does. Let's ask ChatGPT another question. Let's see, what is the Excel keyboard shortcut for flash fill? Okay, let's ask what is the Excel keyboard shortcut key for flash fill. Let's see if it's going to give us the keyboard shortcut key for flash fill. Okay, you can see it's generating and you can see awesome. Which is what the Control plus E, which is what Excel keyboard shortcut key for flash fill. Here is what I got. Now the answer was spot on. In this sense, ChatGPT is super tool that can help to automate many Excel tasks, improve data analysis, and speed up the process of working with data by using its advanced natural language processing capability and integration with other tools. ChatGPT can help to unlock new insight and improve productivity. You have to try it out. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'll keep giving you more of the Excel function. Bye and stay blessed.